Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Qdoba steak. First, select a high-quality flank or skirt steak, about 1.5 pounds, ensuring it's trimmed of excess fat. Next, prepare your marinade with fresh lime juice, olive oil, and a blend of key spices. Allow the steak to marinate for a minimum of 2 hours, or ideally overnight, to achieve optimal tenderness and absorb all the delicious flavors. For the marinade, whisk together 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and half a teaspoon of dried oregano. Place your steak in a shallow dish or a resealable bag with the marinade, ensuring it's fully coated. Once marinated, pat the steak dry before searing. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect caramelized crust. Heat a cast iron skillet or grill to medium-high heat. Sear the steak for 3 to 5 minutes per side, depending on thickness, until it reaches your desired doneness, typically around 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. Remove the steak from the heat and let it rest on a cutting board for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and flavorful result. Finally, slice the steak thinly against the grain to maximize tenderness. This technique breaks up the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Arrange your perfectly cooked steak on a platter and serve it with warm tortillas, fresh pico de gallo, guacamole, and a sprinkle of cottage cheese for an authentic Qdoba experience. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your kitchen spotless.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.